Hey guys, what's up? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we get started, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. So look, y'all, we doing something different. This is not a Forsage update or anything like that. I need to break out of my shell. You guys know I'm new. I just started my YouTube channel, and I need to loosen up a bit. You know what I mean? I need to laugh. I need to joke. I need to have fun because listen, I am just full of energy. I love to have fun. I laugh. I joke. I'm just, y'all, this disrespectful. Let me show y'all this. I got this from Walmart because I'm waiting for my ring light, because like I said, I'm new to YouTube, right? So I need a ring light, and I need a green screen, and I need all of these things. And this thing only stay on for 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes. Disrespectful. Forget it. This video just ain't gonna have no light then. But anyway, all right. So yeah, I just want to let y'all get a chance to get to know me. You know what I mean? You're either gonna love me or you're not. Either way, it doesn't matter, because guess what? I love myself. So it is what it is. But this gonna be a late night rant because it's 3:37 a.m. Eastern time. I get off of work late. I still work, and I got off of work late, and basically this is my time where I record and everything like that, because my babies are sleeping, and this is the time that I get quiet time. So yeah, so this is gonna be a late night rant, but I just wanted to come and talk to you guys about the things that's going on right now and stuff like that, and another reason why I'm actually doing Forsage. But we're almost digital, y'all. We're 99% digital, and a lot of people are not paying attention at all. It's just so many distractions going on, and there's so many things going on behind the scene. Nobody's paying attention. Nobody's doing research, and there are people that are paying attention, but it's not the average, person. The wealthy's paying attention. That's who's buying up the digital currency. But you got people out here saying, oh, digital currency is a scam, don't buy it, and everything like that. But it's if digital currency is a scam, then why is so much of it being brought up? Why are there people investing in it if it's a scam? Then you got people running around saying, oh, Forsage is a scam, Forsage is a scam. How is Forsage a scam? Forsage is not a scam. You know what I mean? It's the same thing in 2017 when they said Bitcoin was a scam. So then everybody sold their Bitcoin, and those same people that was calling Bitcoin a scam, they was the ones that bought all the Bitcoin. And now look, you look around everywhere, there's Bitcoin machines and everything, Bitcoin ATM machines and everything. But I thought Bitcoin was a scam. So Forsage is not a scam. You know what I mean? That's just so whack. You know what I mean? They say everything is a scam that they don't want you guys to get into. You know what I mean? And then it's you got people credit limits is being taken away from them or decreased. It actually just happened to my mom a couple of months ago. Her credit limit got decreased, and she really just didn't understand what was going on. And I was trying to talk to her and explain it to her, but she ain't get it. But yeah, people credit limits is getting decreased, and centralized banking is basically dead. It's dead. It's going, and we're about to be 100% digital. So what's gonna happen when we get digital and you ain't got no crypto? What you gonna do? Or you ain't got no silver? What you gonna do? Exactly. You know what I'm saying? And then it's you got an opportunity like Forsage, and it only costs $12 to get in. Yeah, it only costs $12 to get into Forsage, and people will spend $12 on a daily basis on things that you cannot get a return for. Literally, fast food. They'll go and spend over $12 on fast food, and you're not getting any type of return on that. Once you spend that money, it's gone. You're not getting nothing back on that. People will go ahead and spend more than $12 on shoes or a bag, or for guys, sneakers and shirts and pants. But once you buy that, how is that getting you a return? But you could take that same $12 and get down with Forsage and turn that $12 into more money. You get what I'm saying? You take that $12, buy the first 2 slots, and then once you start building that money up, you buy another slot. And you can literally turn that $12 into a whole bunch of money. You know what I'm saying? So it's I don't get that. I really just don't get that. I don't. And then you got people You know what? I know when I say this, I'm probably going to get my first troll, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? On YouTube, you get trolls. But it must be said, you still got people waiting on stimulus check. When you could literally get down with something with $12 and make your own stimulus check. And that stimulus check won't be there by the time you get that money. Like, you could make your own stimulus check off of $12. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just crazy. And like I said, I know I'm probably going to get some trolls, but guess what? It's cool, trolls. Hearts to y'all. Hearts. It's cool. But yeah. And then a lot of people don't even know that America got a USD coin. People don't even realize that. Like, I was actually talking to somebody the other day about cryptocurrency and stuff like that. And they were saying like, nah, I don't believe in that. I don't want to get none of that. That's a scam. And I'm like, it's a scam? I said, did you know America got a USD coin? They like, no, they don't. And I was like, you serious? And I literally went on my phone and like pulled it up for them. Like, look, it's in the top 20. And they was just like, they ain't even believe. They ain't even know what was going on. And it's just like, dang. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what to say or like what to do to try to get people to open their eyes and stop worrying about everything that's going on right now, because we're in unorthodox times right now. So we have to make money in unorthodox ways so that way we can position ourselves in a better position later. You know what I mean? So I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but people should be looking into silver, gold, cryptocurrency, finding different ways to, invest this fiat money that we have right now while it's still of somewhat of a value to get cryptocurrency or silver or just some other type of currency, because the US dollar going down, y'all. Like, the US dollar is going down. It ain't gonna be no more soon. Like, probably by the election time, it's over. It's over. And it's just like, so many people are going to suffer. It's going to be like, 2021 is going to be crazy. Like, for real. It's going to be crazy. And it's sad. But my goal is to reach out to as many people as possible to try to educate them, try to help them, try to get them to see the light, even though it's right in front of their face. Just for them to see the light. You know what I'm saying? Because I want everybody to win. It's enough crypto, silver, gold. It's enough. They got crypto credit cards now. Y'all better get that. Y'all better get that crypto credit card. Y'all better go ahead and get it, because guess what? You're going to need that. You're going to need that later. I'm telling y'all right now. Y'all better go and crypto.com. Download crypto.com. I actually have a link in the description. You'll get a free $50 too when you go in the link or whatever the case may be, and you go on that app and you look at the cards, and basically you could take they make you stake for like 6 months or something like that, or whatever the case may be. And basically you'll buy a certain amount of their crypto coin and you'll stake it, which is basically you just leaving it there for 6 months. And then you're eligible to get a doggone crypto credit card, and they give you free Spotify with it, free Netflix, you get cash back, all that different type of stuff off of a crypto credit card. And what I don't get when people say crypto is a scam, you can go and buy like anything with crypto. You go to like anywhere and get stuff with crypto. It's crazy. Like, literally, like, you can pay bills and buy things online with crypto. So it just amazes me that people will say like crypto is a scam and like you can buy things with it. Like, it's just crazy to me. But yeah, y'all, so this is like my first video just ranting, you know what I mean? Just talking, trying to put some knowledge out there. Just put a little bug in your ear so that way you can go on Google and research. There's even other countries that's digital. We like one of the last ones, you know what I'm saying? I need to get on that digital wave, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, like, I just wanted to open up, get comfortable with you guys, because another thing that I'm getting sick and tired of, okay? Another thing I'm getting sick and tired of is like recording these videos, and then I mess up, and then I'm like doggone, and I turn the camera off, and then I start over again and start over again. Like, I ain't about to keep doing that. I ain't about to keep editing videos like that. This is me. This is the real me. You get what I'm saying? You're gonna get what you're gonna get, okay? So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna cut this short because it's getting late. I need to go to bed because I need to wake up so that way I can take care of my kids in the morning and then go to work later. So with that being said, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, y'all, have a great night or great morning or great whenever you watching this video. All right, y'all, be great.